So we're just finishing up planting our fruit and vegetable garden for this summer, and I wanted to show you what we've accomplished and maybe give you some ideas. So this is an old fire table that our neighbor gave us a couple of years ago, and we figured out that it would be too expensive to try and fix it. So I've turned it into a salad bar. So here I've got a giant pot and I've planted some different types of lettuce and cilantro. Now in the main garden, I've got markers for some of these plants, and some of them I don't. But here in the front, I'm growing some green beans. Here's a big beef tomato, which I planted pretty deep, like I learned at the end of last season. And then I've got a cage ready to go. I've got some cantaloupe seeds, some cherry tomato, Roma tomato, some butternut squash seeds. Here's my cauliflower, a selection of bell peppers in red, green, and orange, some spaghetti squash seeds, broccoli. Here are my little basil plants that I started from seeds this year. And then I've got some garlic growing from last fall. And then I've also planted some red and white onions. Now what I do is called companion planting, and basically these plants work really well together to not compete for the nutrients in the soil as well as moisture. And some of them will help repel the pests for the other plants. So it's really a good thing to do in terms of fruit and vegetable gardening, especially in raised beds. So basically the way I look at it, if they go well together in a recipe, they generally plant well together. So happy planting, and I'll keep you guys posted.